Hey guys, what's up? It's Anthony, and in today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and it's just going to be kind of an unboxing. And as I use this and stuff like that down the road, I'll keep you guys updated, stuff like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right on into this. Before I do though, if you guys are new, it'd be greatly appreciated if you can like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to get to 50 subscribers, hopefully here soon. Sorry, I keep shaking my arms on the table and it's making the camera shake. You can see my dog creeping there in the background. But yeah, it'd be greatly appreciated. I think we're at like 24 subscribers right now. I plan on going wheeling some more, especially this summer. And this is just something that kind of goes with off-roading and something that's useful to have, especially on the trail. So let's go ahead and get right on into that. So as you guys can see, I already opened the package and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Poppy stuff. Come on, say it. There we go. There's that. And this is what it looks like. So I got the Viair. I don't know what size this is or anything like that, but it says good up to 33s. I can only run a max of like 31s on my truck without lifting it, and I don't think I'm going to anytime soon. And so we're gonna test this out and see how it does. So let's go ahead and try and get this open. This is kind of weird to try and keep this in the frame and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. They give you a little bag and stuff like that. It doesn't feel awfully cheap or anything like that. What else is here in the box? Just model 88P. This is specifications for any of you guys who are interested. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get this open. So it's honestly very well packaged. I think this is the air hose. Yeah. Is it a detachable one? That kind of sucks that there's not a... Oh, I guess there is. There's a gauge. Never mind. So let's go ahead and pull this thing on out of here. Some very nice alligator clips and covers, pretty long cord, so that way you can get pretty far away from the vehicle. I don't know how long this hose is, but it doesn't feel very cheap, which is nice. Kind of sucks that the hose isn't detachable. It has to be attached to the air compressor at all times. It's kind of a bummer, but it's pretty nice. You can see a little gauge right here. Yeah, but this is the Viair, or Viair, I don't know. I think it's Viair, but I'll go ahead and do a wide angle so you guys can see. But that's all that this comes with, pretty self-explanatory, you got your alligator clips and stuff like that. Really long power cable, pretty long hose, everything feels really nice and stuff. And we'll probably use this here pretty soon, maybe this coming weekend. I plan on maybe going to go do Switzerland Trail or something a little bit easier, and just enjoy the outdoors. And my dog is playing and growling in the background. Are you being a kraken? So, but that is basically all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Let me know what you guys think about this air compressor if you have it. For it being like $70 from Amazon, I think it should be pretty good. I used to get the ones from Harbor Freight with my dad all the time, and we used to use those 2, 3, 4 years and just switching out with the warranty and be good to go for some more time. So I know Viair is a pretty common brand name and stuff like that, so hopefully it's pretty decent. So that's gonna be kind of nice. Oh, this thing says LED work light and power indicator. Really? This thing has a light on the front of it? Oh, snap, it does. Look at that. That's kind of neat. But, yeah. I'll probably do like a review on this in like a couple months, or, you know, like a month or so, after I get some time to use it and play around with it and just kind of see how it is. Given my tires aren't very big, so it's not going to really be straining this air compressor very much. My tires are only 235, 75 15s. I hope to maybe get 31s here soon, but I got plenty of other stuff that I need to work on and stuff like that. But this was my birthday present, essentially, from my girlfriend, because my birthday's here in a couple of days, and this was the one thing that I basically told her that I wanted. And this is what she got me. So thank you, and thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Has been Anthony, and I'm going to talk to you guys later.